We really wanted something that people would come in and go, wow, that's a kitchen. Hi, I'm Gabriel, this is Nyisha. We have 2 kids, Elijah and Ezra, and this is our house in Croydon. We first heard about Wren kitchens because it's massive. Like in Croydon, the showroom's huge, so we knew that we want a kitchen, that was the first place we were going to. Dagmara, our designer, she was really helpful. She helped piece it all together.
It was good to have someone there with us. We've never done this before. It's our first time designing our own kitchen. So we wanted a black kitchen, so we decided to go for the Milano Ultra.
It just has a really modern, sleek,
Hotel
elegant
vibe.
look. Yeah.
Yeah. Luxury.
Yeah.
That's what we were going for.
That's the word. We're both heavily into fitness and we both have Instagram and social media accounts that focus on health and fitness.
And family.
And family. When it comes to like making my smoothies and stuff, I like to have everything in the right place that makes it easy. You know, get the protein powder, the milk, everything's in close proximity, the fruit bowls in close proximity, and it just makes the process seamless.
Some of the features we were keen to include was the spice rack cupboard. It pulls out. I wanted to get that specifically because I wanted all my spices in one place and have the little storage jars.
She loves containers. She loves jars with labels.
So this kitchen has helped us interact more as a family.
Other houses that we've been in before, it's always your typical dining room, living room, kitchen, and the kitchen's always far from everything. So now, we've got this open space, we've got really good seating in the kitchen. It just feels a lot more united.
Another favourite feature of ours is the tap. So it has a removable hose, which is amazing, and 2 buttons which can switch from like a spray head to a normal stream.
A lot of the time, like, there'll be stuff in the sink that you just want to wash away, or you just want to like move it slightly, or you just don't want the water to go straight onto a spoon and then splash yourself. So it's like, just move it, just clean. Those little details, they all add up. It actually feels like the start of like a new chapter for us. We're building things how we want it to be.
To walk into our kitchen now, it feels luxurious.
I feel in awe like every day. And then you sit at the island and then like I could do work at the island and then just kids running rampant around.
So we haven't had the chance to show off our kitchen yet, but this weekend we're having our housewarming.
This Saturday is going to be the moment where it cements that this is our kitchen and this is our house. It's actually our house.
Yeah.
It still doesn't feel real. It feels great. It's almost like, when do we have to leave this Airbnb?